Hello, hello. We're back at it. We're out here in Danville, trying to keep you people informed. That's the purpose of this video. It doesn't have much to do with this particular project where I'm stripping terracottas. What I really want to talk to you about today is, we'll call it fraud, we'll call it thievery, we'll call it jerks, whatever. I had an attempted fraud on my account. Basically what somebody did is they tapped into my email and tried to convince one of my customers to wire them some money. And my customer almost did it, except she saw signs in the emails like he wasn't talking like me, but he chimed, and I can't see it from my end of the emails. The only reason we caught this guy is because a red flag. Finally he said something about, tried to get her to send it to Texas, and that's when she's like, okay. So basically, people, do your homework. Don't get caught. Don't wire people money. Don't transfer people money. You know, really be careful. These people are trying to fraud you with everything. They're trying to call you and use, here, like right now, I'm gonna call and get some computer protection for my stuff. And those are the people that are scamming people, telling you they're gonna give you computer protection so you don't get hacked. And they're the ones that are hacking you. So I know that the McAfee's a legit one. I know there's some other ones that are legit out there. So you definitely want to get your mobile devices, laptops, everything. These guys are smart. These cats in China, Iran, Iraq, all these shithole countries where they don't got nothing to do anyway but steal your money. Beware, people. That's what this video is about. I don't know all the answers. I'm not a huge computer guy and techie guy, but like I said, they tried to hack my stuff. I got lucky. Don't be a victim. Stay informed, people. Stay informed. Like us, subscribe, share. Stay informed. Don't be a victim.